Injured for a lot of last season was Brown. 2-2. There's a swing and a high fly ball deep to right center field, and that ball is gone onto the roof of the Miller Time Tap House. Grand slam, Ronnie Dawson. His team-leading 9th home run of the year. And the bats have opened.
Seen this Buckeye team.
And Dawson, a line drive into the right center field gap. Booker going over, and it's off the wall. And it'll carry him back towards the infield as Sergeyk is rounding third. Nenning hot on his heels. 2 runs are going to score on a 2-run double by Ronnie Dawson. He comes through again, and Ohio State halves the lead. It's now a 4-2. The 1-0. And Dawson hits it high in the air, deep toward right. Shevaleski is back at the wall. It's gone. 13th home run of the year for Ronnie Dawson, and the Buckeyes take a 3-2 lead in the 10th.
That young man can swing this bat. A lot of...
It doesn't matter if you keep the pull ahead a little bit because it's a strong part of the body right there. And damn Reniac stuff.
Oh, in the same game?
About water tanks and down there. You gotta change them every 5 or something.
I think you left the mechanical perspective. I'm not using June. Yes, everybody does it. In the middle of the day, there will be high odds that's like 2 12s will come out of 50.
And the pitch. Swinging a high fly ball to right field. Sportman looking up, and it is gone. Ronnie Dawson, his 2nd home run in as many at-bats. On the 8th pitch of this AB, he goes yard. A 3-run shot. Looking again for contact on the 0-1 pitch. He rifles one high, right field. Going back, Michael Gaddis looking up. Oh, what a swing of the bat. A 3-run homer by Ronnie Dawson into right center field. And the Hooks grab a 4-3 lead. Ronnie Dawson a few days removed from his first multi-homer game as a Hook, and a big-time blast to right center. What a clout out to the right center field burn. Power personified, home run number 6 as a Hook for Ronnie, and that gives him a 4 RBI.